Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about some major problems of this brand Nutripaw, or you should buy their product or not, and if you are going to make a purchase of any product on their website or on their platform, what are the things you need to keep in your mind. So keep watching this video. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically Nutripaw is a popular brand, and they are approx 5 years from now, and they have different kinds of product also related to your pet, like your pet related probiotics, immunity treat, and so many product they are selling right now, like you can say like dental care and calming treat and all. So basically when you make a purchase of their product for your pet, there is no problem on amazon.com or any store, any e-commerce store, and their product is really worth it. They will give you results, they will give results to your pets. And if we talk about like the brand is 100% legit. But the only problem of this brand is like when you make a purchase of their product on their official website, they will activate subscription on your account, like auto refill subscription model they will activate. And if you want product or not, they will send auto refill supply and you have to pay fees. Okay, if you want product or not, you have to pay fees. Okay, so when you can say like when you place any order on their website, your task is don't try to take any kind of subscription. If you by mistake taken any subscription, so don't forget to cancel your subscription. Okay, otherwise the brand is 100% legit, there is no problem, and the product is really worth it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you want separate videos on their product, you can make a comment, I will make another videos on their product. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.